feel like reality is shifting around you? Like the truth itself is glitching? Because Black Mirror has done it again. And this time, they are gaslighting the viewers. Yes, you heard that right. Even you may have watched something that never existed. Or did it? Netflix पे fans का दिमाग अब literally fry हो गया है. Because Black Mirror Season 7 Episode 2, जिसका title है Bete Noir, has a hidden twist, which is so crazy, so next level, that fans are questioning what's real and what's completely fabricated. So here's the bombshell. Netflix released 2 different versions of the same episode without telling anyone. Yes, it is not a marketing gimmick. This actually happened. In Bete Noir, we met Maria, played by Sienna Kelly, working at a corporate firm, living a seemingly normal life with a boyfriend, who, by the way, used to work at a chicken shop named Barney's. Now, this is where things get trippy. Opening scene में the camera deliberately zooms in on his cap, जिस पे लिखा था Barney's, clear as day. But later in the episode, Maria's co-workers start debating. Was it Barney's or Bernie's? What? At first, you think it's just a part of the episode's psychological theme. But then, viewers started comparing notes. And guess what? Some people actually saw Bernie's written throughout their version of the episode. Others saw Barney's, completely different spellings, different scenes, different lines, but at the exact same timestamp. Did Netflix just pull off the ultimate mind bend? Turns out, yes. This was intentional. It was brilliant. It was Black Mirror at its most meta. The episode explores gaslighting, parallel realities, and perception versus truth. And Netflix literally made viewers live that experience by releasing alternate versions of the same episode. Agla scenario appears to have varied dialogues and scenes depending on the way you watched it. Later in the storyline, a woman named Verity invent करती है एक technology that allows her and Maria to jump across alternate universes, जहाँ पे थोड़े subtle changes हैं, जैसे signs, names और conversations. Sounds familiar? Because that's exactly what Netflix did to you. एक fan ने इस twist को expose करते हुए लिखा, Bro, we are getting gaslit at 1640. Black Mirror is officially playing with our brains. And then सोशल मीडिया एक्सप्लोडेड. एक और फैन ने कमेंट किया, नेटफ्लिक्स ने रियलिटी का ग्लिच कर दिया है. फिर क्या था? रेडिट थ्रेड्स, एक्स पोस्ट, यूट्यूब कंपैरिजंस, all flooded with viewers trying to figure out which version they watched or if both even exist at all. कुछ मिनटों में Netflix became a villain. This latest episode has cemented its place in pop culture history, with fans calling it the realest form of gaslighting ever seen on screen. And here's the genius. No promos, no announcement, bus silent drop और पूरी दुनिया confused. This is peak Black Mirror. It is not just a show anymore, it's an experience. A psychological, satirical, techno-paranoid experience that's blurring the line between fiction and reality. Ab only question that remains is, which one did you watch? Was it Barney's or Bernie's? Or maybe none of this is real at all. This is Black Mirror and reality is now optional. Like, share and comment if you have spotted the twist or if you're just as confused as we are. For more thrilling updates from the world of entertainment and tech twists, stay tuned with us.